guys, it's Leah. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my slimes. Well, not all of them, just some of them. Actually, there's one on the floor. Okay. This is really fun. My camera will not stand up. Okay, there we go. My lighting is so bad. Like, bruh, you're so bad. Push is morning. To help, this will help a little bit. Okay, biggest, smallest. The biggest slime is this little candy slime. It actually smells like Fanta. It has little tiny beads in it. It's really cute. It was actually green at the beginning, but I added another slime to it, and it turned orange. It actually has clay in it. I just think it's really satisfying when it pops the bubbles. Next, I have this Mars Putty. I don't know. It breaks really easily. And when you break it, it literally looks like jelly on the inside. And there's another one of this, but it's green. And it's the same exact way. See, it's Jupiter, but it's the same exact thing. I'll show you. Literally just the same exact thing. And next, we have this really big one. It's purple. This lighting's really bad. Where's my lighting when I need it? Turned on every light in my room. There's still not any lighting. Like, what is wrong with this lighting? And this one is actually it's actually putty. You guys don't know. Well, if you're not a YouTuber, you definitely. I'm not a YouTuber. I'm just a person that posts YouTube videos about slime and other weird things. I'm not trying to say slime's weird. I'm just trying to say I post weird things, like those things people do where they have like those little notes and they just put them like that. I do those videos. I do slime videos, pretty much slime videos. I can make a couple Ouija board videos. But Ouija boards are dumb and oh, Ouija boards are dumb. I don't use them anymore. They're just dumb. I don't like them. They're cursed. I mean, unless you want to get possessed. I don't prefer Ouija boards. Next, we have this slime. It's not putty. It's actually slime. It's blue egg slime. Okay, do I need to go through some lighting to do this? Like, honestly. Okay. Okay, that's not even helping. Well, and it will not focus. And then you have this black putty. It's actually sparkly. It's really sparkly, but you can't really tell. And that's pretty much the last of the slimes that I'm going to be showing you today. / tonight. As you can see by the window, it's nighttime. I just love nighttime because it's so relaxing. But also it's kind of creepy because it's dark. Okay, wait, like and subscribe. Please subscribe. If you subscribe and get to at least 60 likes and 20 subscribers, or 10, or 9, or 8, or 7, or 6, 10 or lower, or over, I don't care. Just please subscribe and like this video. Comment down below if you like my slimes, and if you want me to post more videos about my slimes / putty. Peace.